Alright guys, today's video is another exciting addition to the B Lounge. If you're not familiar with the B Lounge, it's the space that my love and I are transforming, aka our family lounge. We have you guys partnered with Costway to add this newest addition, and I'm so excited about it. They were so gracious to send us over an entertainment center with a fireplace insert. So I'm gonna let the mister do what he do and get it all assembled, you guys. We are again tag teaming this endeavor. He is working on this project while I am simultaneously recording another project. So I will chime back in and share with you guys the progress of it all. But as you can see so far, he's got everything out. He's getting it assembled. And Project B Lounge is underway, you guys. I am so excited about this. But before I share with you the result, let me give you a review of what this space is looking like so far. We have gone on a series of transformations in this space, from the area rug, the ottoman, the slip cover, the pillow covers, the wall decor. So many things were sponsored, so many things were purchased through Amazon, but it is definitely a nice, warm, and cozy feel in this space. And I am loving the additions that we've added to create something that was not only functional for us, but aesthetically pleasing as well. Most men, if you just give them a sofa and a TV, they're good. But for the ladies of the house, we want something that's a little bit dressed up, a little bit royal, if you would. So feast your eyes, you guys, on this beauty. I love it. It gives the nice sleek black look that my love wanted, but it gives me that nice sexy ambiance that I was designed with the fireplace insert. You guys, this is amazing, and I cannot wait to chime back in with the details of everything. So enjoy the tour, and I'll see you in a bit.
This thing, it's more than just a fling. It's more than just a flame. It's more than just a flame. I can't help that it is more than just a fling. Now I know that it's the real thing, the real thing. Take your time. I'm on a high, high. My body yearns for you to touch me. No, there's magic in your fingertips. It's magic when we kiss. I can be myself with you. Kiss me now, I insist. Make me yours, just take me now. I'm helpless to resist. Got me so invested in this thing. It's more than just a fling. It's more than just a flame. It's more than just a flame. I can't help that it is more than just a flame. Now I know that it's the real thing, the real thing. It's more than just a flame. It's more than just a flame. I can't help that it is more than just a flame. Now I know that it's the real thing, the real thing. It's more than just a thing. I can't help it. It's the real thing, the real thing. Baby, I see you hanging with your friends, chilling day and night for days on end. Now you can't come see me tonight. Say you ain't got the time. I'm the last one you prioritize. Peeping your IG pictures on my phone. I won't spend another night at home. Okay, I'ma just be on my way. You'll see I'm not the one you take for granted, babe. I know that life can be busy, love, but you make time for the ones you love. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you've done for tempo. Things you do to make me stay. Now it's like you don't even try. I used to wonder why, but now I'm left with no more tears to cry. I know that life can be busy, love, but you make time for the ones you love. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done.
Although the selection was hard, guys, I inevitably chose this 65-inch TV stand with a 1400-watt fireplace insert, and it definitely was the best decision I could have made for our B Lounge, aka Family Lounge. This is the perfect addition to this space, you guys. As you can tell, it is very sleek in its design. It's very narrow and compact, but the insert, you guys, is definitely giving off all of the warm and cozy vibes that I want for this space. Just imagine a nice cozy date night in. You got your movie pops on, your popcorn pop, your wine chilling, and the only thing you need is a nice warm setting. And how about this to set the mood? You guys, I am so excited for this fireplace insert coming with the remote control. I can control the temperature setting. I can control the timer on it. I can control the level of heat that it exerts out. And I am so loving this space, giving both the king and queen what they desired in this room transformation. So let's take a closer look, you guys. I love the styling of the doors. Very, very sleek. Gives them 2 shelves inside that I can store other items in it. So not only is it aesthetically pleasing, but it is also functional. Thanks again to Costway for sending out this amazing addition to our B Lounge. We are going to enjoy it for many, many movie nights to come. Now, if this is your first time visiting and you see what you like and you like what you see, you are inspired by this transformation or being inspired by this transformation, then hit that subscribe button and join the Royal family. As you can see, we are full of inspiration, motivation, and so much creativity. To my trying and choose and my brand new boos, you guys know that I so love and appreciate you. Thank you all for your continued support. Well, guys, we took a pause for the cause to add this addition to the B Lounge, but I promise you there is so much more where this came from. My Christmas styling season is just underway, and you do not want to miss a single upload. So click those notification bells, hit them twice so you always know when I upload new content, because you definitely want to see how we spruce this space up for the holiday season. And guess what, guys? There's going to be another amazing addition to this space. So guys, just click the bell, come on back, and I'll see you real soon. But until then, I want you all to stay safe, remain royal, and have yourselves a blessed and most beautiful, beautiful day. Oh, I will have every link in my description box along with discount codes if they're available from Amazon, Costway, and all of the places that I got these amazing pieces to transform this space with. So until then, stay safe, remain royal, and have yourselves a blessed and most beautiful, beautiful day. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.